What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you all the ways on how you can get Mewtwo EX or any Mewtwo card in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So this won't be a video about some hacks or anything on how to get Mewtwo. This will be a simple video on all the legitimate ways that you can utilize to get Mewtwo cards. So at the moment there are only two ways of getting Mewtwo cards. Let's go over through the first one. So the first and the easiest way of getting Mewtwo cards is by simply just opening Mewtwo Genetic Apex packs. So if you go to a Mewtwo pack right here, you can see all the rewards that you can get. And one of them is this Mewtwo card. So from this pack you can get all the different Mewtwo cards. But once you purchase them, it's not guaranteed that you will get them because it's all RNG. So now let's move on to the second method. The second method of getting Mewtwo cards in Pokemon TCG Pocket is by spending your pack points in the pack shop. So this is the pack point exchange shop in which you can purchase different cards. So if you scroll down to the bottom of the pack point exchange, you can find the Mewtwo card. And there we go. Here are two different Mewtwo cards that you can purchase through Pack Shop, with the Mewtwo EX being the most expensive. So at the moment, those are the only two legitimate ways on how you can get Mewtwo cards in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.